Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. If you are worried about growing seeds indoors and have tried several methods, but those all have failed, then this is an optimal time for you to move towards growing tents. These tents provide an ideal environment for the seeds to grow in your indoor garden. You can grow your favorite vegetables indoors with their help and a couple of grow lights or other lighting systems. Many things should be taken into consideration while buying an indoor grow tent. These include the weight, material, and light timers. A high-quality tent is a must to ensure the ideal growth of indoor plants. This is why you should be reading this article till the end, as we have formulated a list of the leading grow tents in 2022, so you can get started developing your indoor garden.
Number 3. iPower 2x2 Grow Tent.
The iPower 2x2 Grow Tent is perfect for anyone just dipping their toes into indoor gardening. This small grow tent is made with quality Oxford fabric, lined with reflective mylar, and comes with a removable waterproof tray, all of which helps to ensure that your plants get the care they need. The iPower 2x2 is also easy to set up and use, with an all-metal frame and convenient tool bag. Additionally, there's an observation window, so keeping an eye on your plants is a breeze.
Number 2. Gorilla 4x4 Grow Tent.
The Gorilla Grow Tent Light line is one of the strongest and most durable grow tents available on the market. The heavy-duty metal frame interlocks for stability and features industrial-strength zippers that will withstand repeated use. The diamond reflective interior maximizes light reflection and creates an ever-growing environment. And the double cinching duct ports ensure a secure connection to your grow system. This Gorilla Grows tent model also features easy view windows so growers can check on their plants without having to open the tent, as well as a heavy-duty spill tray to prevent any accidents. And there's also an integrated tool pouch for easy access to, well, tools.
Number 1. AC Infinity Cloudlab 2x3 Grow Tent.
The AC Infinity Cloudlab 2x3 is the creme de la creme of grow tents. Its reflective diamond mylar lining provides excellent light reflection and diffusion, while its second chamber with removable tray and Velcro wall divide facilitates conditions for plants in either a vegetative or seedling stage. To avoid compromising optimal growing conditions, the AC Infinity Cloudlab's viewing window allows growers to keep an eye on their plants without having to open the door, while the controller mounting plate allows controller wires to pass through into the interior of the tent, facilitating no light leak cable management.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.